Hello and namaskar to all the teachers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a recurring Google Meet session. A recurring Google Meet session basically helps us to start a Meet session automatically at a given time. It has also got various advantages like you won't need to admit each and everyone individually when they ask to join in the meeting. You also won't need to copy and send the invitation every time you start the meeting. And also by this process everyone gets a notification before the meeting actually starts. Okay, let's start. You'll have to go to your browser and type in calendar.google.com, but you must make sure that you are signed in, and then click on create. And then on more options, there you can add a title. For example, in my case, I'm adding Science Grade 7. And in this section, you can fix the time and date of your meeting. For example, I'm starting on May 19 and on time 11:45, so it's over here and it ends at 12:45, and I wanted these sessions to continue every day up to another 3 to 4 months, so I'm keeping it on August 29. And over here you have to click on it and go to custom and select week and click on the days on which you'll have your classes. For example, I don't have any class on Saturday, so I have kept it on ticked. After that, done, and click on add a Google Meet session and new link will get generated. Here you can leave it on notification and you can keep it like 10 minutes, or in my case I'm keeping 7. You can change the color over here. Now you can just leave it. Okay, add guest. This is the part where you will have to add the email address of all your students. So it will be easy for us if we group message them or group email them at once. So for that I have created a Google group where all the email address of my students have been listed. So after you copy the group email, in the add guest section you can paste the group email. So once you have done that, click on save and click on dismiss. So in this way you will be able to see whose email are there in the group email, and if you want you can also remove some of them if you don't want them in your class. For example, here is an email address of a teacher whom I don't need in my class, so I'll click this expand icon and just select the teacher and click on remove. So in this way, except the particular teacher, all the students or everyone will get the invitation of Google Meet session. So you can leave this modify event unchecked and save, and you can send the email. So once you refresh your Google Calendar, you will be able to see the created Meet session. Here you can see Science Grade 7. Okay, you can see the details here, just as we mentioned. So you can also check it from the Meet site, meet.google.com. Right here you can see Science Grade 7. This is how you create the Google Meet session. Thank you everyone.